This is the introductory session of probability. Let us see what is probability basically. Uh, we start with the probability. Probability is equal to favorable outcomes upon total outcomes. If we have a coin, the coin has two outcomes, head and tail. Let us see the probability of getting head. Head, we have only one head, the favorable outcome will be 1, and we have total outcome 2, so the probability of getting head is 1 by 2. Probability of getting tail is also 1 by 2 because the tail is 1 and total outcome is 2. The probability always lies between 0 and 1. If you see, if the probability is 0, then it is impossible event. That event is not possible. If the probability is 1, then it is sure event. Let us see how we will get the what is impossible event, what is sure event. For this we have to take an example of dice. So dice has 6 outcomes. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If we have to find out the if I say what is the probability of getting 7, the probability of getting 7 of getting 7 is not here, so we don't have any favorable outcome. The favorable outcome is 0 and the total outcome is 6, so we'll get 0. This is the impossible event. Now we see the probability of getting 1 to 6. So we have 6 favorable outcome, 1 to 6. We have all the outcomes from 1 to 6. So we have the favorable outcome 6 and the total outcome is also 6. So we will get 1. So this is the sure event. the probability of sure event is always 1 and the probability of impossible event is always 0. Now in dice we have seen that there are 6 outcomes, total outcomes are 6 there, and if we have to find out the probability of getting any one of the number out of these 6, so we see how it will. The probability of getting 4, the probability of getting 4, there is only one 4 is here, the favorable outcome is 1 and the total number of outcome is 6, so we'll get 1 by 6. So here we see in this way, if we have to get the probability of any number out of this total outcome, we will get 1 by 6. If we have to find out the probability of getting an even number, the probability of getting an even number is equal to, we know that there are how many even numbers are there. Let us see, there are 2, 4 and 6 are even number, so there are 3 outcomes in our favorable, so 3 outcomes, 3 out of 6, we have the total outcome is 6, so 1 by 2. If we have to find out the probability of odd number, again we see here the probability of odd number, we have 1 odd, 3 odd and 5 odd number. Again we have 3 outcomes are here, so 3 by 6 it is also 1 by 2. Now we see the probability of prime number. The probability of prime number is, we see how many prime numbers are there. There are 2 is prime number, 3 is prime number and 5 is prime number. There are 3 prime numbers are there, so it is again 3 by 6, we will get 1 by 2. So in this way we could easily find out the probability of the questions related to dice and coin. Let us see the probability of playing cards. How will get the probability of playing cards? Let us there are 52 cards we have, out of which red card is 26 and black cards was also 26. And red cards, there are 2 sort of cards. One is heart. The heart is 13 cards of hearts is there, and diamond, it is also 13. In black cards there are again 2 cards, club, these are 13, and spade is also 13. Heart is like this. This is the heart, this is diamond, this is club, and this one is spade. Now each card there are face cards, cards on which there is face like jack, queen, king. There are 3 face cards in each heart, diamond, club, spade. So we have 12 face cards, and as 2, 3, 4, 10, queen, king, each 4 cards. Now we see the probability the probability of getting a king. We see there are 4 kings because the each card is thereof each sort of card is 4. So we have 4 kings, and the total number of card is 52. So the probability is 4 by 52, means 1 by 13. Let us see if we have to find out the probability of getting a red card. We have 26 red cards, and the total number of cards is 52, so we will get 1 by 2. Probability of getting a spade is equal to, there are 13 spades are there, and we have total number card is 52, that is 1 by 4. Now we see probability of getting king or red card. Probability of getting king or red card, we know that there are there are 4 kings, so the probability of getting king is equal to 4 by 52, which is 1 by 13. There are 26 red cards. So probability of red card is equal to 26 upon 52, which would be 1 by 2. But there are 2 cards which are red and king both. So the probability for these two cards would be probability of king intersection red card. We have two cards like this. 2 by 52 is equal to 1 by 26. Now we have to find out the probability of getting king or red card. Which is P K union R is equal to P of K plus P of R minus P of K intersection R. So here we know that the probability of getting king is 4 by 52. Probability of getting red card is 26 by 52, and probability of getting red and king is 2 by 52. We know that the 52 is common in all the denominators, so we will take it common. 4 plus 26 minus 2. So we will get 28 upon 52. It is 14 upon 26. Or we can again cut it. 7 by 13. The probability of getting king or red card is 7 by 13. Out of 13 we could have 7 chances to get the king or red card. It would be a king or the red card, or maybe both.